My name is Zukiswa Mgilane, and I'm from Mzimkhulu in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. It was on the 1st of August, 2024. I used to be a girl who worked in retail. I was a sales advisor at a shop called P&A Worldwide at Bedford View. I was just a girl, I was never really focused on careers and stuff. I just wanted the money. It only started when I got here and I realized that, wow, this is actually what I've always wanted to do. So, yeah. Well, I've always loved nature. I've always loved farming. I've always loved, everything that has to do with farming. But I just didn't know how to go about it. I just did not know where to start. You get. So yeah, I've honestly always loved what I'm doing now. Yeah. Wow. I've learned a lot. Firstly, I've learned how to work with people. Not that I wasn't working with people at first, but this program gave me a strong what do you call it, like in a strong, you understand, towards everything, my attitude towards everything that I was doing. And also I learned how to do farming as a whole, because here we did plant production, yes, but as you know, Tyelimhlophe is an agricultural school, so we also went into piggery, we went into poultry, so there's a whole variety of things that we learned. So yeah, I learned a lot. I learned a lot of things. I could go on and on and on. Okay, yes, we did get a toolkit. We got everything that you could literally start a business with. What I did first when I received the toolkit, I was so excited actually. I planted my favorite vegetables, which was lettuce, cucumber, your onions, all those green salad thingies. I was actually able to sell my cucumbers. They sold very good. Everyone liked them, and I made quite a lot of money. It was of great help. I do not want to lie, because I remember when we first started, the first few months, we had a thing of, I think it was something that we did each and every week. For instance, there was a thingy, there was a household that we went to and we planted maize, and I feel like that was actually part of that was us, that was us, as Louis Agri, giving back to the community. So yeah. I've always wanted to be a farmer, and I own a piece of land, and I've always wanted to do something about it, and now I know exactly what I'm going to do about it after graduating. So yes, I am going to be a girl in agri. I'm going to be a farmer.